good morning everyone. My name is Jidmark Diffie and I'm going to share with you the taxation under the Americans. First, what is taxation? Taxation is the system of compulsory contribution levied by a government or other qualified body on people, corporations, and property in order to fund public expenditures. In 1898 to 1903, Americans followed the Spanish system of taxation. The urban which is taxed on annual rental value of an urban real estate was replaced known as land tax that changed both urban and rural real estate. In the taxation under the American period, there are two influential persons in civil government in the Philippines. First person is William Howard Taft in 1902. William Howard Taft was the 27th President of the United States in 1903 to 1913 and the 10th Chief Justice of the United States in 1921 to 1930, the only person to have held both offices. Taft was elected for president in 1908. The second person is Luke Edward Wright in 1904. Luke Edward Wright is a United States political figure. He served as Governor General of the Philippines between 1904 and 1906. Also as Secretary of War from 1908 to 1909. In July 2, 1904, Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. However, it was only during the term of Second Civil Governor Luke Edward Wright that the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR was created through the passage of Reorganization Act No. 118 dated in July 2, 1904. They were all appointed by the Governor General with approval of the Philippine and the U.S. President. In August 1, 1904, the BIR was formally and made operationally under the Secretary of Finance, Henry Ide, author of the Internal Revenue Law of 1904, with Josh S. Hord as the first collector commissioner. In 1904, the Internal Revenue Law of 1904 licensed and excise taxes, taxes on banks, document, stamp taxes, cedula, taxes on business, occupational licenses. In 1907, changes in cedula and industrial tax. The cedula under the new law went through changes at the rate was fixed per adult male. Some places were authorized to be double fee for the cedula. On March 18, 1907, authorized the increase of the annual cedula tax from 1 to 2 persons by resolution of the provincial board in any regularly organized province. On October 3, 1913, under Wood-Simon's Tariff Act. The Revenue Act of 1913, also known as the Underwood-Simon's Act, re-established a federal income tax in the United States and sustainably lowered tariff rates from 40% to 26%. There are two influential persons under the American period. First person is, who is Woodrow Wilson? Woodrow Wilson is the 28th U.S. President, served in office from 1913 to 1921, and led America through World War I in 1914 to 1918. After the war, he helped negotiate a peace treaty that included a plan for the League of Nations. The second person is Francis Burton Harrison. Who is Francis Burton Harrison? Francis Burton Harrison was an American-born Filipino statesman who served in the United States House of Representatives and was appointed Governor General of the Philippines by President of the United States Woodrow Wilson. In American period, there are two types of tax. The first one is income tax in 1914. The Bureau of Internal Revenue issued the first personal income tax from 1040. And the second one is inheritance tax in 1919. An inheritance tax is a tax paid by a person who inherits money or property of a person who has died, whereas an estate tax is a levy on estate, money, and property of a person who has died. And that's all, and thank you for listening and watching my video. Again, thank you and good morning.